Hi guys, Corey Baker again from St.Albert Dodge. Again, like I said, we have a 2018 Durango SRT 392, 475 ponies. It's got full 3M on the front end, so you can see here it's been protected, no rock chips. It's in really good shape. It's got the blacked out wheels. The big thing though, is the interior. So take a look at this. It's got beautiful like maroon red interior. It's in really good condition. Take a look at the second. It's got Beats audio, which is really cool as well. What I love about the second row, it's got captain chairs, but it's also got a center console, and it's got DVD players in really good condition. You also have the third row. If you swing around back, it also has a trailer package with 4 and 7-point harness. So with 475 horsepower, you're going to get tons of towing. If you want to know more information, you can reach out to me directly at 780-504-5216, or you can reach out to our store. Have a good day, guys.